Namaskar.
Amrut
Amrut Dhara. In this video today, we are looking at how to get freedom or prevent any kind of sciatica pain. The study says that more than 1 crore people in the age group of 18 to 35, they are getting affected by this particular pain, and believe me, it's a very shooting pain.
because of sitting in one place in one posture for longer duration, maybe for studies, maybe for work.
In fact, this is called as pandemic posture, that you've been required to sit for very long at one place or standing at one place. Even the housewives, the ladies at home, they also are facing this particular issue.
For removing that pain or not getting that pain, we should do these small asanas, different posture, different asan with pranayam, with breathing. And let's see how to go about it, which are very much Amrut Kan for our good health, for pain-free life, and for
And
that.
today, the important change is today we have got the chairs, so that we do not find any reason not to do these stretches. Even if
This asana we can do sitting on the ground
as
also. But when we are having pain, it's little bit difficult to sit down. So we suggest that take straight and firm chair. They should not have any wheels, or they are not a very soft sinking.
kind of chairs, bucket type of chairs, try and take a flat and something which will support your back, support your hips properly.
So let us see which asana will give you benefit by sitting on chair. So with inhale, raise your one leg up, hold the toe. If it is not possible, you can hold your ankle, knee, shin bone. But today we are holding toe, and with exhale, straighten your knee very slow and complete. Look straight ahead and do long breathing in this posture. With exhale, release your leg and relax the posture. Do it same with other leg. Bring it on the chair, hold the toe, press it on abdomen, then straighten it. Slow and complete, without any jog, without any cramp.
The final posture, try and ensure your knees fully straight. If not possible, whatever is possible, but improve upon it every time when you do it next.
We can repeat this asana 3 to 5 times, and you will find the change within 3 cycles.
Stretching of the sciatica muscles and the complete vertebra is what is required to take care of the sciatica pain. And for that, we are looking at various postures which you can do using the chair, so that even if you are not able to sit on ground, even if you are in office, you are able to handle this particular regime. Let's go ahead and look at the further postures.
So first we are looking at Marjory asana in standing posture by taking the support of chair. So stand on distance from the chair. With the breath, raise your both the hands up. With breathe out, first lower back is pressing, then chest. Keep your hands on another edge of the chair. Press your back in, raise your face up, jaws together, eyes widely open. Legs are firm on the ground. After 3 breaths, just raise your back up, touch your chin to collarbone. Do breathing here. And then with inhale, raise your hands up. With exhale, release the posture. This way we are stretching all channels which are supplying blood to the leg muscles. Maybe because of obstruction, we are getting pain in our legs. Second asana we are looking, which we can do, as Swaji said, in office using chair. And that is, keep your foot on the chair. And then opposite hand, my right knee is up, so left hand going up and coming ahead, holding the knee and ankle. Another hand on the back and looking back. Sthiram Sukham Asanam. We are remaining steady, doing breathing, doing pranayam and coming back. And as we know, we have to balance both the sides of our body, right and left side. So raise your hand up, hold the knee, ankle, another hand on the back, supporting lower back, giving subtle pressure with the palm on L1 to L5, looking back at the wall. And then with breath, raise your hand up and come back.
It is very simple. It is not necessary that you should have a sciatica pain. To avoid that, to prevent that, use these postures, do the maximum number of breaths in the final posture, and you will benefit immensely in your overall flexibility of the vertebra.
Even we get those inquiries. We have wheelchair, how we can do that, or so many reasons not to do. You can use center table, but use something steady and firm. Wheelchair may be slide front and back, which is not good for our back. So one more asana what we are doing in this same supporting chair and taking benefit, raise your one leg up, toe stretching towards you, knee is straight, and then with breath raise your both the hands up. With breathe out slowly, your lower back will go ahead, then chest, then hold the toe. Looking straight ahead and holding the posture and doing long breathing. Experience stretch on lower back as well as complete leg. With breath, go up. With breathe out, change the posture.
With this, you will understand that you don't have to do far too many exotic or difficult postures. What is required is doing it in combination and doing with full breathing, understanding your own condition and improving it every day.
Increasing oxygenated energy flow in those muscles and channels for giving life. According to Maharshi Patanjali Yoga, we should do asana in pairs. If we are doing front bending, we have to do back stretch. So since we have already done that front bending posture, let us see how to go about back stretch asana. Take the support of chairs, stand straight, and with breath raise your same hand, same leg, hand going up, leg going back, look up. Give the stretch in a flow from head to heel. Be there. Sthiram Sukham Asanam. Sthir rahiye 4 to 5 times. Do breathing in that posture. Repeat the same asana with other side. Looking at your own fingers and doing long deep breathing 3 to 5 times. Exhale and release. We can repeat this asana 3 to 5 times for better benefit of this asana on our back as well as sciatica pain. So take the benefit of asana and pranayam, which is our very old traditional ways of keeping our body healthy.
While taking benefit of the asana, we can synergize the whole process of rejuvenation, of getting the pain-free state using the acupressure methods. And we'll see, it will be seen on your video or on your screen also now, which are the points you should look at, especially when you are talking about the sciatica pain. So observe your screen and we are pressing those points. How to press those points? We have seen it enough in the previous videos, that how to use thumb or use the stub end of the pencil or a genie which we can use. So let's see which are the acupressure points to go ahead with this.
And as we say, our health is in our hands and we can do this self-treatment without any side effects.
They actually synergize, they actually multiply the recuperating process very fast. It has got excellent results. I am taking the right hand and on the right hand I have marked this particular point. When I say point, it's a region basically, and you have to press using the thumb or using a genie How do we do that? We had seen it in other videos. Still, just for the sake of repetition, use the thumb and either the tip or the harder portion, use that to press this particular area. Couple of more points for the sciatica pain in acupressure treatment are, I am taking the middle finger, and in the middle finger I have marked the base of that on both the sides.
Middle finger bottom, and we are holding
it, giving support on the other side and placing it on the other. Repetition from the other side, support from the opposite, and that is how you give the rotations to get maximum benefits using acupressure and supported by the yoga asanas. We have done this on the right side. Similarly, we have to repeat it on the left so that the balancing of energy takes place. The same points you can use it and give acupressure of those areas.
See you in next video of Amrut Dhara with Amrutkar.
Namaskar.